another retro unboxing for Sketchbox. That's really nice. So this one is November of 2022. Feels pretty light. So, pencils maybe? Oh, so I always forget I gotta explain this. These are past boxes that I bought at the end of last year, and I am just opening them now, so they're pretty much a surprise. I do know what I ordered, but it was ages ago, so I don't remember. So I'm going to open it and make a piece of art and use only what's in the box, except possibly a pencil, an eraser, and a paintbrush. So here we go. What do we got? Markers. Okay. All right, so get rid of that. Okay. Markers. Okay. Oh, everything's blue. And this is a liner. Okay. I don't know why I ordered half of this stuff, but I ordered this. Maybe because there was Copics in it. I don't know. So it looks like maybe I can copy that because that looks pretty quick to draw. Okay, so we got, these are colored just colored pencils. They're really fat. I know, I was looking at a new to me, I don't know how new they are, new Derwent colored pencil set, and I'm like, you do not need colored pencils. And then I went to look for something today, and I found all my extra pencils. I'm like, do not buy colored pencils. But I still put them on my list. Maybe I'll get them at Christmas. Who knows? All right. So these are Holbein Artist Colored Pencils. I don't know. I might have tried these before. They're really, they're lightweight, but they're really fat to hold. All right. There's the sticker with a little Copics on it. Manga paper. And a fortune. Oh. Don't know what that means. Caisse de réclamation. It looks French. But I know this is like a Japanese company. The Holbein anyway, and this Japanese. I don't know what Copic is. Is Copic Japanese too? Yes. And this paper is manga paper. Little tiny paper, but it's not too bad. I can do something. I can do something quick. Like maybe I can try to copy that. Or do something similar to it. So take a piece out so we can do some swatching. Okay, so we got two Holbein colored pencils. I'm all over the place today. Prussian blue and forest green. And we have some Copics. Well, this is just a, I don't know. Is there a color? Oh, okay. New blue. And that's a chisel and a small, tiny little bullet. And these, I think, are the, I always want to call these chows, but I guess they're not chows. It's Copic Sketch. I guess that's the difference. Okay. That's got a chisel. Yay, brushstroke. Same with that. This is a holiday blue and flagstone blue. That's blue. Oh, there's two of these. Okay. So that one looks silver and white. So these are liners. Are they both that same tip? Yeah. Okay. All right. Let's, this is already primed. So let's do that. Oh. Will that come out on the bottom? I don't know. I guess maybe because it's, I should put something under it anyway. Right, so that is the new blue. Those look almost exactly alike. This is the holiday blue, and this looks green to me. Flagstone blue. Let me use this side. That's green. Are they crazy? It's like forest green. All right, and these are the colored pencils. I don't really like these that much, so that's okay. Well, let me draw on this. I mean, they're really smooth to color with. It's fast moving, but I don't like that kind of colored pencil, so that's just me. So these are, I guess you have to, they're like a Posca, so you have to shake them and prime them. Actually, do them at the same time. Okay. Oh, those are really nice thin line. So that's silver. And there's the white. Those are really nice. Interesting. Okay. Extra fine. All right. So I did that. I did that. That's it, I guess. That's all I got. So maybe I'll try to just copy this because I just have no ideas in my head right now. Or I'll do something similar. But I've got such a limited palette and I don't like green, so. All right, so let me, I guess I'll just take it out and do it on here. I am gonna use a pencil, I think, to draw. And not a, should I use just a colored pencil? It makes me nervous. All right, what did they use the silver and the white on? The white may be there. I don't see, or maybe on the sleeve or something. It's got a weird design on it. I guess it's from the markers moving around. All right, so let's do, oh, well, this is why I use a pencil. I know some people sketch in like pen or marker or something, so. I know mine's a little different, that's okay. I just wanted to do something in the same sort of style. Because I never draw like this. All right, close enough. Okay, I think they used the colored pencil as like a shadow. So let's do that. Round that out a little. Oh, maybe I'll do the little patch. I think Murphy's crying. Yeah, I left you some paper. Oh my. Murphy, you're gonna make people think that I'm neglecting you. All right, let's see. What did you get rid of the? So let's do, I guess, or should I do the? Which one's darker? Here, I can't remember. This one I think is the brighter. Oh no, these both look the same, don't they? I guess this one's a little bit darker. All right, so let's try to. And I don't know how to work with Copics that well, so. Don't know what I'm doing, I'm just doing it. All right, let's see. So we're still doing like these little lines. All right, I don't know if this will show up as any different. So it looks the same to me, but maybe it's a little lighter. I never thought of using Copics and colored pencils together. I think these colors are too close for me. I think I'll go over some of the darker parts with the blue colored pencil. And the paper, it's going through, but it's not leaking onto the mat, so I guess that's a good thing. They seem to have a paper for everything. Yeah, I guess it shows a difference. Oh, I see. Okay. So they use this one for the shirt. I see. Okay. So they must have used it for this too. I mean, for the under the turtleneck or whatever he's wearing. This is most definitely not blue. All right, now that's a lot darker, but I don't know if maybe I could do it with the colored pencil. I really want to define the eyes a little more, but maybe it's because the pencil wasn't sharp. No, I don't think, well, maybe. This will be a decent enough shadow to see. I can see it because I'm right on top of it, but I don't know. Yeah, I guess so. Because they probably just used a second layer of the greenish blue marker. Oh, all right, let's just do a heart instead. I don't want to draw a fish. Oh, okay, maybe that's what they did. Yeah, I like colored pencil with these markers. I always feel like I can't get really good detail because it's a marker, but when you add the pencil, you can get the detail. I mean, he's got like flyaways here. I don't know if I want to... I mean, I guess I see people using, like, who work a lot with Copic. They do Copic and then they do pencil, but it seems to cover all of the marker in the end. But I never thought of it as just being an accent because they really look nice together. I may have found something new that I like. Although it looks good in this style. I don't know if I can pull this style off. All right, let's try these. And we can do this over here. And the silver. Well, they did white in the hair too. Okay, so let's... So they did like... These are so cool. Because if I picked something, I'd be doing a cat. It wouldn't look anywhere near as cool as this, so... Sometimes you have to copy to get a feel for something, I think. And I guess there was some... Yeah, let's color that in blue. Is that it? I kind of want to go over that again. Well, I mean, it's different, but yeah, that's really fun. I like that. I like this stuff. So Copics, you know, but I always like these, the sketch ones, because they have a brush tip. These are really cool. What are they called? Kuretake Manga Liner, white and silver, extra fine point. These are really good. I like these. They're kind of like an acrylic-y type of marker, really thin, but I love them. The white one looks really good. And the pencils. I mean, they worked well with this. It's not the kind I like to use normally because they move too quick. The paper's nice for this because it went through, but it didn't leak through onto that. And that's it. That's the box. So yeah, so these are my favorite thing right now. So that's it for this week. It was a quick one. So thank you for watching, and I will see you next week.